Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see and delete all your Facebook stories in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Whether you have posted a story you want to remove or just want to manage your stories, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on Facebook, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are in the settings and privacy menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see option of activity log in the your activity section. Once you find it, tap on it. In the activity log, you will see option that says activity history. Simply tap on it. And now tap on filters. Tap on categories and tap on the first option that says your Facebook activity. And here you will see an option that says stories. Tap on it and tap on all. And it will show all the stories you have posted. In my case, there are no items. And that's how you can easily see and delete your Facebook stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.